Oh, hi guys, I wanted to talk to you today. I've been promising this video for quite a while about the Mary Kay Tone Correcting Serum. So I've been using this, I've just run out of my first bottle. I've been using it since the beginning of February and I've only just run out. So February, March, end of April. It's lasted me 3 months, give or take a few days. And I wanted to just share with you a few facts about it and what I found about the product, how I used it, and any other tips or tricks that might help you with your customers or with yourself for using the product, if that's going to be helpful. So like I say, I've been using this for 3 months, which is quite interesting because it does actually say all the stats that Mary Kay give about the product is, you know, some of the benefits that you will see after 12 weeks of use. So I'm guessing that's how long one tube of this is meant to last. And basically I started using it when I was away on holiday. I actually did a video about my skin at the time because I did have some breakouts when I first started using it because I thought it was quite, and I think it's just, you know, it's quite rich, and when you change something in your skincare routine, you will tend to see some change, good and bad, as it brings out the gunk, does all the things that it's supposed to be doing, and obviously, you know, you're adding extra serums and things that you might not have been adding before. So I'll link that video below because I do talk quite a bit about not just my skincare, but how to help your customers through any issues that they might have when you first put them on a skincare program, especially a new Mary Kay customer and someone in particular who has never used skincare before or has not used a good quality skincare program before, because what happens is, you know, those changes come through, they'll break out, they'll have a few little issues. Not everyone, but a lot of them will, and just how to deal with those issues as they come up so that you're doing the best by your customer and that they don't have a panic and want to return the product. So I'll link that video. Yes, I was on holiday, but there's some good information in there. So anyway, I started using it, and within the first 3 or 4 days I had a few breakouts, nothing major, but like I say, my skin settled into it pretty quickly. Basically I was wanting to use the product because I was noticing a whole lot of sun damage just here on one side of my face, just, you know, some unevenness, some not freckles, but just some dark little patches. We have a spa pool and we love to sit out in the spa every evening, and of course that side of my face is the one that's on the setting sun side, so I was obviously getting more sun damage to that side than this side. Also, you know, from driving in the car as well, that's the driver's side by the window, so you tend to, you know, usually see damage a little bit more on one side than the other. So I was wanting to see if I could fix that. So definitely I have seen huge improvement. The dark patches have completely gone, and sorry, I have got makeup on today, so you're not going to be able to actually see that, but I promise you my skin is looking really, really smooth. I'm absolutely stoked that with just one bottle I was able to reverse some of that damage. I definitely will keep going, although I'm taking a break at the moment and I'm using the new vitamin C squares and the replenishing C serum. So I think what I will do is I'll just keep alternating between the two. So obviously you don't want to be putting too many serums on your face at once. So for now I'm going to concentrate on using the replenishing C, and then when I've used that one up, I'm going to use this one again. But just some of the things that that Mary Kay says about the product is that 95% of women experience the look of dark spots reduced after 12 weeks, and that's definitely what I saw with the product, that your skin looks flawless, that it dramatically evens the appearance of skin tone. So it's designed to help your skin look brighter, it's designed to help it look more even and more uniform, so that you can not wear makeup if you don't want to. So, you know, if you've got really good skin, then you don't need to be covering it up with foundation all the time, unless you choose to. But, you know, it's nice to be able to be confident in your own skin. And it's designed to help reduce the appearance of sun damage, dark spots, freckles, all of those sorts of things. So, there's a whole lot of stuff in here, and if you're a consultant, I really recommend that you get the sheet from Mary Kay so that you can learn a little bit about it. It talks about navy bean. I've got no idea what a navy bean is, but it's they say that they've been developing this product. It's taken 10 years in development, so you know, Mary Kay is really amazing, and they are quite into some pretty amazing new products out. The scientific research that goes behind these products always amazes me. Like, you know, they really do what they say they do, and I can't think of any of our skincare products where I haven't seen great results. Like, I think, you know, I've been using Mary Kay for 15 years now, and I keep thinking my skin can't get any better, but every time I introduce a new product, it just gets softer. It's a really good idea to just switch products out every now and then so that your skin's not becoming too used to it. So I really enjoy the alternating of things. I really love still using my night solution, my day solution. The new Time Wise 3D skincare range is really, really amazing as well. And it just keeps getting better and better. And you know, I'm 45 years old and I'm very, very happy with my skin and where it is. I am definitely an advocate for good skincare, and in particular Mary Kay skincare. So how to demonstrate the products? So I would at your appointments, I've got one of these in my kit, and I do actually just let people sample it on the back of their hand. They only need one pump. You're obviously not going to see any difference from using it just once, but at least your customer gets a chance to experience it, smell it, feel how lightweight the serum is and how easily it's absorbed into the skin, because you really don't get any residue. So it's just a great way to keep them you know, enthused about what they could be doing with their skincare regime. And one little pump on the back of the hand is the most hygienic way of doing it, or onto their trays. Do not pump it into the palm or onto their fingertips, because obviously that's where the most germs are on your hands. And basically, yeah, that's it. So this little bottle is amazing. I cannot say enough good things about it. I will definitely be using it again very soon once I've finished up my replenishing C serum. And yeah, I'm absolutely stoked with the results that I saw in the first 12 weeks. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you've got any questions or anything that I haven't answered, by all means ask, because I kind of put this together on the fly, and I really wanted to get this out there because I've got some of my team members asking for some help with this. So yeah, hopefully I've covered as much as I can, but if I've missed something crucial, by all means, just flick me a comment there and I'll do my best to answer it as soon as I can. So hope you're all having a great week, and I look forward to talking to you all again soon. Thanks guys, bye.